Looney's garage. Today we're going to be tuning the Renegade. First we got to go get it washed, because nobody likes a dirty machine. And it'll really help out this lean condition we got with the RJWC right now. We got a Power Vision 3 tuner. Yeah, I am trying some new equipment that I got, so see how y'all like it. I'm pretty sure the microphone probably needs to be moved around, but that's fine. I hope the cutting is going in and out, not going in and out as it used to. I do have a little bit of like a cover on now. I'm hoping it ain't as cutting as like it used to be. We are probably just going to get it muddy again as soon as we get it tuned, but I need to get this mud off. It's been on it for about 2 weeks now. It's been on it since probably Thanksgiving. Dead squirrel. We're just gonna get it muddy again, so that looks good enough to me right now to work on it. Alright guys, let me show you all the tuner we got. Alright, here it is. Power Vision 3. Oh man. Power Vision 3 right there. We're going to mount it right there where the OMD bar riser is. Should look pretty good. Let's get her back to the house. Alright guys, unboxing this this tuner for the Renegade. Well, I've seen every single one of these. They're like that. They always come in like this, sideways, which I'm not even bad about it. Here it is, Power Vision 3, Rev 1, Super ATV, and Dynojet. Take that out. This is the cable that goes down to your diagnostic port, and that goes up to your tuner itself. There's a cable to blow tunes onto it. I hope there's already a tune on it. Alcohol wipe for the to stick it to the handlebars, which I'm going to do right now. So let's go ahead and we're gonna wipe this off right here. I'm gonna set mine right here. So yep, let me wipe that off, and I'm gonna mount it on there. Yeah, where your Dyno support's located, it's right here underneath your seat. I'm gonna run my tuner permanently, but some of y'all can just flash it and run it like that. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna walk get the seat back on and walk through flashing the ECU. It's stuck on here. They already tell us it's gonna attract a lot of fingerprints. Flip the key on, turn it on. I've got it backing it up right now, verifying. It's writing a tune to it right now. I'm not really sure about it, if it's gonna self-tune or what, because I don't have a tune for this exhaust. But I have heard it will self-tune. I don't know. If not, I'll take it over and get somebody to tune it for me. Riding. We'll give it some time. Let it ride this ECU, and I'll pick y'all back up. Now we gotta verify the flash. To verify the flash, turn the key off, then on. I wonder if we gotta continue. Alright, let's fire it up. Alright guys, we got this thing tuned. It's very confusing though. Everybody wants to hook a computer and stuff. I'm gonna run stock tune right now for stock exhaust, but we got lowered fan temps, things like that. You know, we'll see. Everybody says a big difference. Up it goes. I don't think she hauled that quick before. That's for sure. Put some premium in it. You start running premium in it with this exhaust. Mexico, y'all. Rolling start from 30. 3, 2, 1. Holy crap. Holy. That was 84. 84 mile an hour. It's a bit wicked for a four-wheeler. Just a bit. Just a bit, y'all. Holy crap. That was crazy. So yeah, it does make a bit of a difference now, y'all. I'm guessing that's gonna be it for this week's video, y'all. So yeah, catch y'all next time.